Hey, welcome to your Enagic Iconic Marketer business. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour and highlight what you're going to be doing with the next steps inside of your business. So, number one, we want to make sure you get connected to all of the resources and websites. You would have received an email that looked like this from me. Step number one was paying your $99 membership to unlock your iKONIC Marketer membership. It would take you to a page that looks like this. You can click on Start Now, and you would be purchasing the $99 monthly membership. Okay. Number two, we want to make sure you get connected to Circle, which is the iKONIC Marketer education platform. Follow this link, and you would use the same email that you did to register for your membership. All right. Number three, we want to make sure that you get connected to the iKONIC Marketer Facebook group. It's going to look like this. So you would have received an invite from me or from somebody else that is inviting you to the team. So make sure to come over here and check that out. The fourth step is you will be reviewing a video that I made just to kind of highlight a little bit of what you get inside iKONIC Marketer. It's going to have some benefits. And then number five is going to be this video that you're currently watching. So once you get inside, once you click on this, you're going to go to number two, which is getting connected inside of the iKONIC dashboard. First thing you're going to do is watch this video. Stop, watch this before you do anything else. Okay, it's going to be a tour by Brian that basically gives you a 35-minute tour of everything that's involved inside iKONIC Marketer. Now, please understand you don't have to remember everything. This is kind of just an overview, but it will give you a little bit of a guideline if you ever need to go back to it. If you're wondering how things work or where things need to be found, you can do all that. So start there. Number two is you want to go over and complete ASAP. Right? And this is number two on our list. Set up your funnel website with your domain so people can access the free course, right? You have a couple of options, the done for you system, do it yourself. So when you click on here, option number one is purchase the get it done for you system, which will be $150, or you can choose to do it yourself. If you choose to do it yourself, also, please understand you've got 3 opportunities during the week where you can book a session to speak with the tech team, and they're going to help you move through it. All right. So that setting up your funnel is priority because we want to make sure that the free course is in play so that we can invite people to educate themselves. I also want to recommend you need to personalize your website with your story and picture. If you get the done for you system, the system is going to give you a website that looks like this. It will have your tags, it will have your email, it'll have your text messaging. You'll have access to all the leads that come through it, but the template comes with Brian and Brian's story. I highly recommend you follow the steps. The team will show you how, and it's also videos inside, and you can change everything that's on this landing page. So for me, I went with a different title. I also put my name, my story, and it's also KreelHutchinson.com. So I have personalized, customized the website and the funnel. I highly recommend you do that. Right. Moving on to number 3, set up your advertising, create Facebook page. So once you've got the funnel set up, moving through all of this, you will access the information through iKONIC, through the portal. So just a little overview. It's also done in my review, but here's the main sections. You want to come in here and familiarize yourself with everything, but this would be the system setup. So if you're doing it yourself, you want to make sure you move through all of this. And there's also a video in here that will show you how to put your picture, your story in. Then you want to move into meta ads, Instagram ads. We also have our Enagic training here. So you definitely want to spend some time inside Circle, familiarizing yourself with everything that's available here. General questions, announcements, share your wins, welcome new members. And of course, very important to stay connected with the live calls. So step number 3, set up your advertising, meaning set up the system is number 2. Number 3, meta ads. And for me, just to put it in perspective, like this is my personal page, Kreel Hutchinson, and then I set up my business page, Kreel Hutchinson. This is essential because I need to open up an ads account, and you can't do that without a business page. So that will be part of creating your Facebook business page. Number 4, attend the weekly calls and get involved. This is really important. You got to stay connected to the community, to the energy, to the motivation. You're constantly learning when you're on these calls. So you want to definitely make it a habit to make it there. Number 5, focus on your brand and social media presence. Personal branding recommended, like www.yourname.com. So I showed you earlier my website. I have KreelHutchinson.com. My business page, Kreel Hutchinson. My personal Facebook page, Kreel Hutchinson. My Instagram, Kreel, but it's Kreel Hutchinson. So see how I'm having consistency and congruency through my marketing and social media presence. I highly recommend that you do the same. Number 6, think about who is your audience? What is the niche you're trying to target? This is going to be very important for you starting because you're not trying to sell or promote to everyone. You got to think about who your audience is. Generally, that person is maybe like you 5 years ago. So think about the situation that you were in. Why did you decide to join this business? What was the pain points that you were going through? Because you can speak directly to that personal experience and how this has become a solution. So their pain points are going to be your talking points, and that's how you're going to provide the solution to the problems. So you want to spend some time figuring this out. Moving into number 7, you need to expand your audience. In order to sell something, we need an audience to market to. And so there are 2 ways that we're going to show you how to market. It's the paid advertisement, which you're going to be moving through and following the course, but you want to reinforce that paid advertisement with your organic social media content. So for me, that includes posting on Instagram, and it includes building out my personal profile. Now, notice I have 4,300 friends, and I have this project 5,000. Facebook gives you the opportunity to have 5,000 friends. When you make a post on Facebook, only maybe 3% see that. So if you have 100 friends, 3 of them are seeing it. If you have 5,000 friends, it's more like 150, maybe even 200 people are seeing it. So you want to slowly start to build up your friend content. You want to think about who you are trying to attract. Go into Facebook groups that have those type of people. Start to become friends. Start to expand your network. I would recommend doing this on your phone and adding between 10, 15, 20 people a day. You don't want to go too fast because you could get flagged and put into Facebook jail. But you want to get this number over 4,000 so that your social media presence is reinforcing your paid advertisement and is building a solid brand for you. Notice, and I'm clearly not the best person at social media, but I'm trying to be consistent. You can see what I'm doing. I'm talking to my audience. I'm really interested in working with people who identify themselves as entrepreneurs, who are in careers or jobs which are unfulfilling to them. So I'm having those types of messaging both in my Facebook, in my Instagram, and in my stories. Okay. So moving along, create engaging content that offers them value. You need to talk to your audience, right? And yeah, you're going to make lots of social media content that's not going to go anywhere. That's okay. It's about following people that you think do a really good job of speaking to you and how they market, learn from them, study inside the course, show up to the calls, ask questions. So you want to create engaging content that offers them value. Eventually, you're going to create interest in our offer. People are going to like what you're talking about, and they're going to put up their hand. They'll say, hey, tell me more about this business that you're running. That's your opportunity then to start building relationships by asking questions. Here are some great questions I ask. How long have you been thinking about starting your online business? What do you currently do for work or career? How long have you been unsatisfied with X, Y, Z? If people start to complain about something, you're going to understand. Maybe it's not enough time at home. Maybe they're in too much time in commute. Maybe their health is suffering. So, asking questions, you want to find out their why. Why would they spend 2.5 hours to go through our free course? Once you understand the why, then I feel comfortable inviting them to check out the free course or the live webinars, right? We position our offer as the solution to their needs. So unless you find out why they would spend the time, it's unlikely that they're going to spend that time because they're kind of doing it for you rather than doing it for themselves. So build the relationships, ask interesting questions, have a dialogue back and forth, build rapport. And then when you invite a person, it's much more likely that they're going to do the activity. And something I would say would be like, based on your situation, I think our business could be a viable solution. would you be willing to spend 2.5 hours watching our free course that explains everything? You can also say, hey, me and my business partner put together this free course. Would you be interested in checking it out? If they agree, awesome. Send them the link to your website. They're going to sign in, opt into the free course. And then, of course, you'll be able to track all of those leads in your back office underneath contacts. And in the contacts, it'll show exactly who they are, their phone number, what they've done. You can track all the tags. So definitely want to familiarize yourself with that. You want to follow up with them, right? Remind them why they wanted to do the free course if they're not going from video to video, right? You want to encourage them to book a sales call. You can either do these sales calls yourself by following the training that we provided with the PowerPoints, or work with your sponsor and get them connected inside your system so that they're handling all your calls. Number 14, enroll them in Enagic and iKONIC. And of course, you want to support them to get set up with all the products, make sure they receive them, the order has gone through, Enagic has sent them, they're opening the boxes, they're installing their K8, they're installing their Anaspa. Really important to follow through all the way. And then secondly, support them to get started in the business as fast as possible, introducing them to this video, getting them the links, explaining what they need to do, and get them moving forward. So as a review, your daily method of operation should be the following. Always be advertising. That means either through organic or paid advertisement, making social media content, posting, creating stories, making sure that your paid advertising is working. Always be thinking about making new ads. All of that is involved in advertising, a daily activity. Then the follow up with the leads that have already gone through the course, or follow up with conversations that you have. Then number 3, you want to be helping your team. When you bring people on, your success is going to be directly dependent on their success. So want to make sure where they are, reaching out, stay connected to all your new people, and then show up to the team calls. Showing up to the larger community is always about learning more. It's also allows you to identify with others' challenges people are having. You don't feel alone in your business. And as a community, as a group, we can all move forward. And then number 16, the final point, you got to be consistent, be fearless, and be a professional. So in wrapping up, I really encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. You can get support by reaching out to the 24-hour support in the dashboard. You can get support by reaching out to the group, and you can reach out to me if you have any questions. Once again, congratulations on your decision to join Enagic and iKONIC Marketer. I hope this business is truly very, very successful for you. I'm excited to be working with you. Have a great day.